How to fix a Lenovo laptop not turning on but charging. Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you the 3 best working methods to fix a Lenovo laptop that is not turning on but is charging. Let's get started. Method 1. If your Lenovo laptop is still on, completely turn it off. Step 2. Unplug the charger and disconnect all USB devices. Step 3. Turn the laptop upside down and look for the small emergency reset or Novo pinhole. Then insert a paperclip or SIM eject tool into the hole and gently press the button for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 4. Remove the paperclip or SIM eject tool, reconnect the charger, and then press the power button to turn on the laptop. Method 2. Unplug the charger from the laptop. Step 2. If your laptop has a removable battery, remove it. Step 3. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Step 4. If you remove the battery, reinstall it. Step 5. Plug the charger back into the laptop. Step 6. Press the power button and check if the laptop turns on. Method 3. Before trying this method, make sure your Lenovo laptop's power light is on, but the screen is completely black. Step 1. Press the Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B keys at the same time. Step 2. Wait a few seconds for the graphics driver to reset. Step 3. Check if the display turns back on. Still having the same problem? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.